Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe so you'll see more videos like this, and also please don't forget to click the notification bell as well and like so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you another happy unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. Oh, it's quite big. I wonder what is this. Let's see what's this. Oh, what's this? Oh my god! Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, this is Rollover the hot dog. Oh my gosh. So what
What is this?
is the original beechwood smoke? Baby, look at this.
These are
Oh,
the best
look
hot
at
dogs
this,
in the
baby. Look,
world.
look, look. Oh my god. So this is the hot dog that they use in the cinema.
Yeah,
Yeah.
which they sell for around £4 each.
Oh, so
In a bun, obviously. This is without the buns, it's just the hot dogs, but
yeah, so this is the nice one. This is the best hot dog in the world.
definitely.
Yeah, because they sell this in the cinema. And you
Made
can
in Germany.
Oh, Germany. Well done, Germany. Thank you for this. And also this is a beechwood smoke.
Yeah.
So this is nice. It's tastes nice. That's why when you go to the cinema, darling. That's why when you go to the cinema and you buy this hot dog, it's really nice.
Delicious.
Yeah, delicious because this is the hot dog that they use.
You can't get them in supermarkets here.
Also, you have to buy it specially in where, darling?
Well, I got this in Amazon. You can buy it direct from the company, but then you have to buy the whole box, which is 80.
Oh, I think we did that before.
Yeah, we
Didn't
did that before, but then it's difficult to finish.
Yeah,
You
it's
can't
difficult
keep
to
eating the
finish.
same thing every day.
Yeah, so this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So this is 12. So this enough for how many
Well, it
weeks?
depends how many you have a day.
If it's one a day, it's 12 days. But you cannot have hot dog every day. Oh, so we can use this when we watch the film.
Yeah.
So it's two every time we watch a film. So one for you and one for me. So that's nice. It's good. I got the
Nice, you know.
hot dog
Hot dog
bun.
bun, yeah.
Yeah.
And with big dollop of ketchup on it. Or
Oh.
mustard if you prefer, or both.
Yeah.
What are
So
the ingredients? Can you see?
the ingredients are pork 87%.
See, that's quite high percentage.
87%. Is it quite high?
Yeah.
I thought 90 is high. And there's water, salt, dextrose, sugar, stabilizer, E450, and then ground bell pepper, antioxidant E300, spice and spice extracts, preservatives E250. I don't know what's that. Beechwood smoke. This is allergy advice. May contain traces of milk.
Does it give you the heating instructions?
Uh,
And now we heat it in a microwave.
Serve with pasta, pizza, salads, or as separate dish on their own. Simmer in hot water for approximately 5 minutes. Do not boil. Shallow fry in a little hot oil at moderate heat for approximately 4 minutes. Turn frequently. Barbecue 4 to 6 minutes. Microwave. Place the sausage on a microwave plate. Cover with a microwave lid or film. 800 watts.
That's what we have, 800 watt
800
microwave.
watts. One sausage for 35 seconds. Also, that's very good. It's
Yeah,
very
very
quick.
quick. Yeah.
It's very quick to cook. all appliances may vary. These are guidelines only. Check that food is piping hot throughout before serving. It says here, guys, it is storage, no refrigeration required.
Until you open it. Once you open it, then it has to be kept in a fridge
Okay.
and eaten within, I don't know, maybe a couple of weeks, maybe less.
Yeah, store in a cool, dry place and keep out of direct sunlight. Once open, keep refrigerated at 0 degree, 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius, and consume within 5 days, or by best before date. So that is before date June the 30th. That is the
What year?
2022.
Good.
This year.
Yeah.
So it's 6 months.
Yeah.
6
You
months
can
life.
keep it up till then unopened
Yeah, if it's
and
unopened.
unrefrigerated in a cool place.
Yeah, but once you open,
You have
consume
to
it
keep
with.
it in the fridge and eat it within that week.
Yeah. Yes. And consume within 5 days of opening. So we have better to hurry
So
up.
we got, if we have 1 a day each, then that's 6 days.
Yeah, 6 days.
It should be okay.
Yeah, we can watch film for that 6 days. We will start later. So that's the thing, guys. That's the front. That's the one in the front.
Yeah.
So I
If you
advise
like
you
hot dogs,
guys.
you can't beat these. They're by far the best.
Yeah. So I advise you guys to buy this one so you can see and you can taste the difference. And this is quite thick hot dog, guys.
Yeah, they're quite large as well.
Quite large. So it's good value for money. In the cinema, they sell it for
Yeah, around £4.
yeah, around £4.
They have
So
gone up as well since the last time we were in the cinema.
yes, so you cannot get this anywhere. So
You can get it in supermarkets.
yeah. So this is the nice hot dog you ever have, guys. We know it because we already had some, so we know. And we already used to eating this in the
In
cinema.
the cinema.
When you were working in the cinema, darling.
Yes.
And I do too. I work in the cinema too.
Yes.
So this is the unboxing for today, guys. Hot dog.
The best hot dogs in the world.
The best hot dog in the world. The original Beechwood smoked from
Rollover hot dogs.
Rollover hot dog from Germany. Buhay Germany. Bravo Germany. Thank you for this hot dog. Thank you for making nice hot dog. Thank you for watching today and see you in my next video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe. And please tell me where you're watching from. Thank you.
And bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Love, love, love.
Love, love, love.